All right, everybody, we got a no cool call. It says air conditioner not turning off, no cold air. The air conditioner on the side of the house is not turning off, and there's no cold air coming out. So let's see what we find, folks. Might be low on refrigerant. All right, we got a Goodman. I don't think I hear the compressor running. Yeah, compressor ain't running. We got a crawl space. Take this off. Yeah, compressor is not running, just the fan. How you turn this off? Pull it out. Oh, okay, so we're gonna turn this off. Check that capacitor. I gotta go take pictures of the house, so I'm gonna do that right now, because for this company that I do work for, I gotta do something. Like when I get here, I gotta take a certain picture, and that has to have the time. So okay, oh we look at that. That's why. All right, let me take a picture of that. I wonder if this wire was loose or it was running high with high amps. I'm gonna check this capacitor. So what is this? A 35.5. Let's get this out the way. $35.5. So we got 35. So this cap is good. Let me go get a spade connector, and we'll go ahead and retighten this. All right, let's check the inrush. Let me see how this disconnect goes. All right, 77. 67. So it's 10 over. Let's check the amps. .8. All right, let's check those pressures. Okay guys, I was taking this off to put the probes on. I keep hearing that thing hiss a little bit. This one didn't, but this one did. That thing been leaking. Thing's still leaking. Probably over tightened it. I'm just gonna change that out. Alright, so these are my pressures. I just put them on there to see if it wasn't low as far as pressures, but subcooling, it's a little low, I guess. It's kind of cold out here. It's kind of chilly. It's probably about 65 degrees. I'm about to get my temperature probe, see what it is. But the superheat is low. I haven't checked that filter. I'm about to go in there and check that filter too. And see if we can see anything else. Okay, so it's about 66 out here. That's what this is reading. So all right, let me go inside it. 5 amps, 5.2. Let me go inside and check that filter. Oh, it ain't got no filter. Oh, I bet that coil is dirty. No filter. Just had these. I ain't put them in though. Let's look at that coil. This is from that bottom side. This is from the top side. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see if I can slide this coil out a little bit. I don't really want to do too much to it because it's starting to rain. I need to get out of here. I'll come out a little bit. This thing's dirtier than I thought. It's not blocking crazy airflow, but it is dirty. Guys, that thing is filthy down there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's filthy all the way to the edge, to the back of that coil. Trying to take this bad boy out, but don't want to come out. That's all it'll go. Man, I've seen pulling cleans that are crazier, so I'm just gonna input this on the notes, guys. I can't really get in there. Yeah, so I'll recommend a probably just recommend a pull and clean. I can't really get in there with this one. We got the main issue fixed, but we're gonna install a new filter. I recommend that so I can get everything from the bottom. From the bottom, it's too packed in there. I can't really get it. It's thick about right here. Over here, it's the small layers of dirt, but still, I don't know if a pull and clean or if I get this returned, if I'll be able to get it. We'll see, but I'm just gonna recommend it. Let's get that thing in there. Okay. Change that Schrader real quick. Alright, got the new one in. Let's get it in there, baby. Alright guys, that's it for that one. It's a rainy day, so I couldn't really get to it. I probably would have found a way. I've cleaned coils in place before, but that was a coil. It was horizontal, and I couldn't pull it out any more than what it came out. I'm sure if I would have kept trying, I probably would have found a way, but that thing, even if I would have pulled it out, I would have had to pull it out even more so I could get it cleaning real well on the bottom of that coil, towards the bottom in the back corner. That's just what happens when folks don't install a filter or replace it. So I sent a quote for a pull and clean. I mean, that's the only way you're gonna properly clean it real well, you know what I mean? So it is what it is. But the main issue there was that wire. Even something like that, airflow can cause the system to, overwork itself. So, who knows? But that was that, folks.